lovely kids. How are you all? I think you all are fine. Yes? Very nice. So today we are going to learn a special letter. And what is that? That is letter L. Which letter? L letter. So, but before we are going to learn the letter L, first we will learn the sound of letter L through rhymes. So, do you want to do the rhymes? Yes? Very nice. Let's sing together, okay? Pretend to lick a lollipop. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, take the lollipop and lick it. Okay, we will do together. Yes. Start. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Once more you want to do? Yes? Very nice. Let's do. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Very nice. Clap for yourself. Very good. Well done. Now we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick. Who want to listen to the story? Who want to listen to the story? All are want to listen to the story? Yes? Very good. The story name is The Adventure of Little L. So let's start, okay? Once upon a time, in a land full of letters, there lived a little letter named L. L loved to laugh and play. One day, Elle decided to go on an adventure. As Elle walked along the lane, she met a lion. "Hello, lion," said Elle. "Would you like to come with me?" "Of course," said the lion. Together they walked past a lovely lake where a little lamb was playing. "Come, join us, lamb," called Elle. Now Elle, lion and lamb were all together walking and having fun. They found a lemon tree and picked some lemons to share. At the end of the day, Elle was so happy to have her new friends. "What a lovely adventure," said Elle with a big smile. How is the story, my lovely child? Nice? Very good. Now, how many words you have learned from the letter L? How many words? Let's read and repeat after me, okay? Lion. Laugh. Laugh. Lemon. Lamb. Lake. Land. Yes, very nice. Now you tell me the words from the sound of letter L. You tell me. Will you tell me? Yes, I am waiting. Yes, lollipop. Very nice. Yes, ladybug. Very good. Leaf. Very nice. You are so smart. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very nice. So, my lovely children, what is the sound of letter L? Yes? Did you enjoy my session? Yes? Very good. Please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, and ma'am will meet you in another session. So till then, bye bye. Did you enjoy my session? Yes.